arrangement of temperature based fan speed controller. Let's look at the main components we used. First one is we used Arduino Uno board as a microcontroller, as well as we use Arduino programming language to implement the algorithm. Next, we look at the sensors we used. We have used two sensors at the circuit. First one is LM35 temperature sensor, and second one is the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. But at this circuit, we only use DHT11 sensor because it can be measured temperature and the humidity. This is the relay module we used. It will be control the fan speed level according to the sensor output. When the sensors given their output to the relay, then corresponding relay will be on. Then according to the relay, the corresponding speed level will be operated at the fan. This is the AC motor we used, and the neutral wire is directly connected to the supply, and the live wire is connected to the regulator and as well as the relay. This regulator has a metal plate, and controlling the length of the metal plate, we can control the resistance of the circuit. Considering the white, red and blue color wires of the motor, white color wire for the speed level 1, red color one for the speed level 2 and blue color one for the speed level 3. Now let's see the several test cases to check the circuit will work properly. At the moment, humidity is 72% and temperature is 29 degrees of Celsius. Then fan will be operate at speed level 2 according to the algorithm. Then we increase the humidity level at the moment using a wet piece of cloth. Then speed level goes to 3 according to the algorithm.